There are three areas of value for procurement functions that are really untapped.
Guillaume, Matt, welcome. Guillaume, to you first. What's happening in telecoms right now that's putting procurement in the spotlight?
So something is not new. It's external spend represents 50% of the telco revenues. So this is by definition a key topic. What is new is headwinds. Headwinds around supply chain instability. Headwinds around pressure on margin with inflation. Headwinds around power balance, moving from telcos to giant tech companies. Of course, there are also tailwinds that telco can play with. First is GenAI, and Matt will be coming back to that in a minute, but also technological shifts that will allow them to create more margin in the future.
Matt, there's a lot of opportunities in this space, but which do you think that telecoms operators are not seizing when it comes to procurement?
Telecoms operators have built strong procurement functions that are really good at aggregating spend to drive commercial advantage from suppliers. They've got robust processes that are technology enabled. There are three areas of value for procurement functions that are really untapped. The first one is around shaping demand. We see when we run cost optimization programs with clients that 2/3 of the benefits are coming from shaping demand, influencing specification and demand levers. The second one is around the untapped value of GenAI. And this is both internally in automating processes, in using it to extract more value from the supply chain, for example, negotiation agents, and also capturing the benefits that suppliers are receiving from GenAI. And that might be things like in software development and software development suppliers. Then thirdly, in supplier innovation, those organizations that are most successful in driving competitive advantage from their supply chains are working with their suppliers to bring innovation to drive real competitive advantage.
To you both, in your view, what should telecoms leaders be doing right now to strengthen their position? Guillaume?
They should continue position procurement at the highest level in the organization to reduce cost, drive innovation, manage risk, and so on. I think what is critical as well is they could leverage procurement to free up cash to fund their own transformation, because there's massive transformation ongoing and you need cash to do so.
Matt?
I would add 2 points to that. Firstly, data and data transparency are incredibly important. Procurement is this exciting nexus between internal and external data. In pulling this information together, procurement can provide a commercial window that helps the business to make much, much better commercial decisions. And the second point I'd make is around proximity to the business. As GenAI and digitalization automate the operational and transactional processes that procurement is going through, there's now more priority on change and change management being driven by the procurement function. And leading procurement organizations are getting closer to the business and shaping relationships to drive better commercial outcomes.
Matt, Guillaume, thank you so much for your time.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.